What is inside a computer? Under the casing, a computer's hardware is a host of electronic circuitry, components and connections. As they become ever more powerful, their components need to be smaller, use less power, and generate less heat. Components of a computer system. The components inside a computer are fairly similar regardless of the type of computer it is. The parts may look a bit different, but they fulfill the same functions. Understanding what the various parts do and how they work can help users troubleshoot problems or decide whether it is time to upgrade their hardware. We will discuss CPU, Central Processing Unit, RAM, Random Access Memory, and also about the ports. First of all, we are going for our Central Processing Unit. This is the mind of a computer system. The Central Processing Unit CPU, also known as a microprocessor, acts as the brain of the computer. It controls most of the machine's operations and carries out commands. Instructions are sent to the CPU by pressing a key, clicking the mouse, or starting an application or file. Everything is possible because of it. The CPU is a ceramic square with a silicon chip located inside. The motherboard connects either directly or indirectly to every part of the computer. RAM, Random Access Memory. This is the system's short-term memory. Whenever a computer performs calculations, it temporarily stores the data in the random access memory until it is needed. The data on the RAM is cleared when the computer is turned off. The RAM is slotted into a reader on the motherboard. RAM can be removed and upgraded if more is needed. Ports. Computers have an array of ports that allow users to connect external devices to the motherboard. Common ports include Universal Serial Bus, Ethernet to connect computers together to form a network, Video Graphic Array VGA, High Definition Multimedia Interface HDMI, and ports for headphones and microphones. Ports are color coded for clear identification. So gonna see you in the next video with other parts of the computer. What is inside a computer? So gonna see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye for now.